Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the different picture profiles of Sony ZV E10, and there will be two sets of photos and two sets of videos. The first set of photos are just some colorful flowers in the nature, and I want you to just focus on the different colors. The second set of photo will be my hand touching those flowers, so you can do a comparison about the skin tone and the colorful nature. As for the videos, the first set of videos will be just some street scenes, so there will be people walking around, and you can just see how this camera performs on the street. And the second set of videos is me holding some different colors makeups, so you can also compare the skin tones with the reddish colors. And at the end of the video, I will make a conclusion of how I choose to use those profiles. So let's get started. Well, welcome back. If you are still watching this video, I really appreciate it. I hope you are not too bored by those clips. So, in conclusion, I think I will just divide those picture profiles into 3 categories. The first one is super saturated, and the second one super desaturated, and the third one is the one that I like the most, which is I think just normal, a little bit desaturated. Personally, I would say off picture profile and picture profile 1, 2, 4 are those that belong to the first category, which is the super saturated one. So I would definitely not use those profiles to take pictures or videos of people because they make the skin color sometimes yellow and sometimes a little bit red. I just don't think they are very pleasing to the eye. But if I'm just taking some photos or videos of still objects or flowers in the nature that are supposed to be very colorful, then I probably don't mind using those super saturated picture profiles. And I would categorize picture profile 7, 8, 9 as the super desaturated ones, and Personally, I won't use them because I don't like to color grade a lot. So these picture profiles are just too flat for me. And finally, the ones that I like the most are picture profile 3, 5, 6, and 10. I find them just a little bit desaturated, which is, to me, more cinematic, and I can color grade a little bit if I want, but if I just leave them there and not do anything about it, then it looks also fine. Especially for the skin tone. When I'm taking photos and videos, I always pay a lot of attention to the skin tone because I think human eye is just very sensitive to that color. So if you use picture profile 1, 2, 4, or no picture profile, the super saturated color will just look a little bit fake. But if you look at this footage, the street scene, which you can't really see clearly how people's face are, then it probably doesn't matter that much. However, if you are taking portraits in which you can see the color clearly, then I would say picture profile 3, 5, 6, 10 are the best. Personally, I just like to use picture profile 10, and when shooting like some very close-up portrait, I would prefer picture profile 3. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye!